American Wagyu from the Good Silver Steak Company. Look at that marbling. Be generous with that kosher salt. Crack that pepper. All right, so we got our compound butter we're making. We're doing a garlic, thyme, rosemary, a little pinch of salt, and we got our unsalted butter. Throw it in the microwave, about a minute. We're gonna pour that in. We put it in the fridge and we let it sit for an hour. Put a little bit of coconut oil in my skillet, medium-high heat, about 3 minutes on each side. Oh, look at that. And we're just gonna rub it in. Look at that. Oh man, it's so amazing. The juices, the flavors, it's the best red meat you can get. No hormones, no steroids, there's no antibiotics. Above and beyond some of the other competition. So good for you. Best red meat. You gotta check it out.